Hey folks, Crypto for Seniors here. It seems like you just can't get away from news about Bitcoin's rise. As of the recording of this video, it's around $99,000. But we have your back with the news you need to know about keeping you and your investments safe. Check the notes of this video for timestamps where you can jump to the information you most want to know. Consider this your own personal PSA or public service announcement to keep you safe and protected. You probably have one in the drawer like I do, but is it time to upgrade to the latest security and features? In this video, we will cover some top products you should consider to keep your crypto safe. No, this is not sponsored by any of the products. This is my own personal belief in the quality and importance of these 3 products. History has shown with every bull run, scammers and hackers come out of the woodwork. It's more important now than ever to keep your investments safe and offline. It's so easy to invest and forget to move your crypto to your cold wallet for safekeeping. If you've forgotten, well, you're not alone. By the way, I'm not a financial advisor, and nothing contained in this video is investment advice. Most importantly, I'm not sponsored by any of these products. So, why should you listen to me? Well, my background is with over 30+ years of corporate security and as the corporate security manager of a $43 billion international utility, so I know a thing or two about protecting assets. And let me tell you, when it comes to crypto, security isn't just about passwords or two-factor authentication. It's about understanding where you're storing your hard-earned digital assets, removing it from the exchange you purchased it from. This exchange I'm talking about are websites like Coinbase, Binance, Crypto.com, or a host of other sites. Here, you buy, sell, or mistakenly hold your crypto. They are made to be convenient, but they leave securing your crypto up to you. And this single fact is what today we'll be addressing and how to maintain a high level of protection for your digital assets. The phrase, "not your key, not your crypto," is so important for you to understand as we go forward. This key I speak of is your private access key to your investment, your security phrase of random words. If you store it on your computer and you get hacked, you have lost not only your banking information but any digital assets like your crypto IRAs, bank accounts, investment accounts, and yes, your crypto tokens. See, when you leave your crypto on an exchange, you're essentially trusting them to keep it safe for you. And while most exchanges are legitimate businesses, they're still vulnerable to hacks, scams, and even government shutdowns. Remember Mt. Gox, or FTX, just a few years ago? That's why the crypto community lives by one very simple to remember rule: not your keys, not your crypto. It's important you remember that phrase, not your keys, not your crypto. In other words, if you don't control the private keys or your list of random words to your crypto wallet, you don't really own it. Well, you could use a desktop wallet like this one, which gives you some basic control over your keys. But this method has major flaws, so what's the alternative? Desktop wallets are a step in the right direction. They give you more control than exchanges and are generally pretty user-friendly at the cost of some additional security benefits. But they're still connected to the internet, which makes them vulnerable to hackers and fake websites. Think of it like this. Your desktop wallet is like keeping your cash in a safe at home. It's better than leaving it out in the open, but a determined thief could still find a way in. That's where cold wallets come in. These bad boys are like the Fort Knox of cryptocurrency, offering the highest level of security for your digital assets. The cost of the wallet is minimal for the benefits, and they are easy to learn and set up. Lots of how to set up videos right here on YouTube. Cold wallets are hardware devices that store your private keys offline, giving you some of the best methods of protecting your crypto. Think of them like a high-tech USB drive specifically designed for cryptocurrency. Since they're not connected to the internet, they're virtually impossible to hack, and they are easy to learn. If you are thinking you don't hold much crypto, so why have the expense? Think if you purchased, say, Bitcoin a few years ago. What would that be worth today? What will it be worth in, say, 3 years? Now, there are a bunch of different cold wallets on the market, each with its own pros and cons. But today, we're going to focus on 3 of the most popular options: Tangem, Trezor Safe, 5, and Ledger Nano X. These wallets are all highly reputable and offer top-notch security. Let's dive into each one and see what makes them tick, and if maybe right now is the time to upgrade. First up, we've got Tangem. This is the one I personally use and for me works the best for my situation. This little guy looks like a credit card, but it packs a serious security punch. Imagine having the power of a vault in the palm of your hand. It's super easy to use even for beginners, and it supports a wide range of cryptocurrencies. Whether you're into Bitcoin, Ethereum, or any other altcoin, Tangem has got you covered. Here are 3 things that make Tangem stand out. 1. EAL6 plus certified secure element. That's fancy talk for super secure chip that keeps your private keys locked down tight. This level of security is usually reserved for high-end devices, but Tangem brings it to you in a sleek card-like form. 2. No battery, no Bluetooth, no problem. Since it doesn't rely on any wireless connections, it's practically immune to remote attacks. 3. Tamper-proof design. Try to mess with it, and it'll self-destruct, keeping your crypto safe from prying eyes. This feature ensures that even if someone gets their hands on your Tangem wallet, they won't be able to access your funds. Tangem is a great option for folks who want a simple, secure, and portable way to store their crypto. Trezor Safe 5 Next Level Security in a Box. In today's digital age, securing your cryptocurrency is more important than ever. This bad boy is a step up from the Tangem in terms of features and security. While the Tangem card offers better than basic protection, the Trezor Safe 5 takes it to the next level with its advanced capabilities. It's got a touchscreen interface, a built-in password manager, and a whole bunch of other bells and whistles. The touchscreen makes it incredibly user-friendly, allowing you to navigate through its features with ease. Here are 3 reasons why the Trezor Safe 5 is a solid choice. 1. Open source software. This means that the code is available for anyone to review, ensuring transparency and trust. Transparency is key when it comes to security, and Trezor's open source software allows anyone to audit their code for vulnerabilities. 2. The Safe 5 is equipped with state-of-the-art security measures to protect your assets. And 3. The Safe 5 comes with a built-in password manager, Shamir backup for enhanced recovery options, and support for advanced coin control features. These features ensure that you have multiple layers of protection. The Safe 5 supports over 1,500 cryptocurrencies, so you can manage your entire portfolio from one secure device. Trezor is constantly updating its firmware with the latest security enhancements, keeping your device one step ahead of the bad guys. Ledger Nano X, the popular choice for a reason. Last but not least, we got the Ledger Nano X. This device has been a game changer in the world of cryptocurrency cold wallets. I also have and use the Nano X along with my Tangem. This is one of the most popular cold wallets on the market, and for good reason. Users rave about its reliability and the peace of mind it provides. It's got a sleek design, a user-friendly interface, and it supports a wide range of cryptocurrencies. Here are 3 things that make the Ledger Nano X a fan favorite. 1. Bluetooth connectivity. Unlike the Tangem, the Nano X can connect to your smartphone via Bluetooth, making it easy to manage your crypto on the go. 2. Ledger Live app integration. The Ledger Live app allows you to buy, sell, and swap crypto directly from your Nano X, all while keeping your private keys secure. 3. Secure element chip. Like the Tangem, the Nano X uses a secure element chip to protect your private keys from unauthorized access. This chip is a critical component in ensuring the highest level of security for your digital assets. The Ledger Nano X is a great all-around cold wallet that offers a good balance of security features and ease of use. Whether you're managing a small portfolio or a large one, the Nano X has the tools you need to keep your assets safe and accessible. The final word. Well, there you have it. A crash course on cold wallets and why they're essential for protecting your crypto investments. Remember, the crypto world can be a wild place, but with the right security measures in place, you can navigate it with confidence. Invest in a cold wallet, diversify your portfolio, and stay informed about the latest security best practices. And remember the golden crypto rule: never invest if you don't have the funds available. Well, that wraps it up for our top 3 secure cold wallets. No matter which one you chose, or maybe you have another one you are using, the important thing to remember, you are doing the best you can to ensure your crypto stays safe from hackers. If you enjoyed this video, please consider subscribing to stay informed for future videos. And while you are at it, please drop a like and comment below. Thanks for watching, and here's another video you may enjoy watching as well. Bye for now.